Whoa, I have $3,000 due on my credit card next month. What's the interest rate? Interest rate? Who cares? Interest rates are pointless.
Pointless.
Hey guys, it's Justine with Debt Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial, money, and debt-free living. If you want to learn how to live debt-free, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. You know, I've seen a lot of YouTubers on here talking about getting your first credit card and that you should always be looking for the associated interest rate. But newsflash, I don't even know my own interest rate. Why? Because I'm a responsible millennial with my finances. I pay off my credit card every single month. So interest rate really is pointless to know because it's never going to affect me in the long run. Because I actually make a budget. I look and watch my spending habits every single month. I actually avoid impulse shopping with credit cards because I'm constantly thinking back to the budget. What are my end goals? What am I trying to save money for this month? What am I really focused on spending my money on for this month too? And when I have those questions constantly in the back of my mind, I'm thinking about those things. I'm not worried about some silly interest rate that's never going to affect me in the end. Anyone else feel me on this? Comment below. And while the average American has an average credit card balance of $6,375, what? Holy $6,375? That's the cost of a Ford Focus in really good condition. You know why people get penalized with credit card interest? Aside from the fact that they are most likely overspending what they're bringing in, a lot of times it's because people simply forget to pay their credit card. You can't have a credit card if you forget to make the payments. That's not how that works. In order to be financially responsible with a credit card and avoid interest and don't even think about it, is just simply pay that card off every single month. Always be looking at the amount of cash that you're bringing in, budgeting it in place, and then using the card. That's the whole reason why I have a credit card, is to take advantage of rewards and points so that at the end of the year, I have $600-700 plus that I can do what I want with. The way I choose to live debt-free is by taking advantage of these credit card companies and the points and rewards that goes along with it, and being responsible by paying it off every single month. I know there are more of you out there, so comment below if that's you and you feel me on this. And that's why I don't know my interest rate, because I don't need to.